guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is sponsored by WeQueen's Hair. They did send over their 28-inch braided wig unit. Everything about this wig unit will be in the description box below. I would definitely rate this hair a 10 out of 10. Like, oh my god, this wig is super bomb. And for people who already follow me, you guys know that I did just shave all my hair off. So yeah, girl, I got me a braided wig unit and I am super satisfied with it. I would definitely have a coupon code for you guys and it'll be listed right here. So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and hop right into this tutorial. So this is the box it came in. It comes with a stocking cap and a bag to store your wig, and also instructions on how to care for your braided wig. And this is a free gift that you will receive, and it also comes with jewelry, lots of jewelry. It is a SUH lace and it looks super realistic. It comes with 3 combs, 2 in the front and 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. The back of the unit is a knotless braids. It is super lightweight, guys. The inch of this unit is 28. So first thing I do, guys, I go ahead and tint my lace. I am using the Ebin lace tint spray in the color dark brown. Disclaimer, y'all, so I can see the stocking cap right there at the top of my head. So once I got done with the video, I did take the stocking cap off and it looks really good without it. The baby hairs on this unit is bomb. They left out just enough. So now I'm just go in with my melting foam by Touch by Tawaski. She is on Instagram, guys, if you want to check out her products. This product is a really bomb and it laid the lace to the gods. That is so freaking pretty. Look at that. What lace, huh? What lace, boo? What lace, honey? So the back of the unit is a knotless, and I think that is amazing because the wig is not heavy at all. That is lazy boys. So right here I'm just going to show you guys a couple hairstyles that you can wear with this unit, and as you notice I did take off the stocking cap and you can tell the difference. Bye. See you guys in my next video.